I don't want to answer right now.
You don't want to answer, but you have to answer. In real IELTS exam, you don't have choice.
Yes, sir. I know that.
So why you have choice now? Have you seen the movies जिसमें ऐसा
Yes.
accent होता है? So you can try like that so that you can enjoy. बात है अंग्रेजी बोलने की. Enjoy English. Recently, one of my relatives, like, he's also fun-loving guy. Even I enjoy when I meet him. So we were talking like this, and we talked for around half an hour or 1 hour. We went to a shop. Even we were talking like this over there. What do we want? Let's take a packet of milk, some butter, and bread. What will we do? Let's make pizza. I love pizza. Which pizza do you like? Mushroom pizza or capsicum pizza? Milan, which is your favorite pizza?
Onion pizza.
Onion pizza. Do you know how to make pizza at home?
Yes, sir.
Last time, when did you make pizza at home?
3 months ago.
3 months ago. If you like it, why don't you make it every week?
It's not healthy.
You can make it healthy. Don't add cheese in the pizza. Only
And
add
what about
vegetables.
maida?
You can make the pizza on roti, on chapati pizza. It's.
No one like it. I'll do it.
Did you try that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are health conscious person, you mean to say?
No. I am health conscious about my daughter.
Okay. So you want to eat the pizza. You don't want your daughter to eat the pizza.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what you want, you don't want your daughter to eat it. You want to eat pizza, but you don't want your daughter eat pizza.
I don't like pizza actually.
What do you like then?
I like pasta.
Pasta is very healthy, you mean to say?
Not healthy. It's just about taste.
But you mentioned about health.
2 or 3 months or once in a month is okay.
That's okay. If we drink poison once in a month, is that okay?
It's not related to poison, sir.
It is a slow poison. You won't get sick in 1 month, but you will get sick in 5 years, in 10 years. These foods are slow poison, Milan, and you must know that. Did you know about it, that these foods have preservatives?
Yes, sir, I know that.
Then these are slow poison. ऐसे बातें करते हो किसी से? कर सकते हो, करनी चाहिए. फन. मेरा फोकस किस चीज पे है? आप किस काम को कंटिन्यू करते हो जिस काम में आपको मजा आता है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप कोई मूवी देखना शुरू करते हो. यू स्टार्ट वॉचिंग अ मूवी. अगर मूवी बोरिंग लगे, क्या आप कंप्लीट देखते हो? नो. एंड इफ द मूवी इज इंटरेस्टिंग, यू वॉच द कंप्लीट मूवी. सो आप इंग्लिश बोलना शुरू करो. अगर मजा आएगा तो आप कंटिन्यू करोगे उसको. You can speak for longer hours, for a lengthy spell, lengthy period. If you don't enjoy it, you won't speak it for long. आप बोलोगे ही नहीं, आप खत्म करोगे और निकलोगे. तो तुम्हें क्या लगता है, आईएल्स के स्पीकिंग टेस्ट इंजॉयबल होते हैं, फन होते हैं? नॉट एट ऑल. वो मजबूरी है आपकी, बिकॉज यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दैट. तो उसको तुम जल्दी से जल्दी फिनिश करके निकलने की कोशिश करते हो. इसका मतलब तुम इंग्लिश को अवॉइड कर रहे होते हो, और इंग्लिश अवॉइड करने से नहीं आएगी. इंग्लिश एंगेज करने से आएगी, एम्ब्रेस करने से आएगी. एम्ब्रेस गले लगाना पड़ेगा इंग्लिश को. एम्ब्रेस करना, गले लगाना. बट यू अवॉइड इंग्लिश. सो आई एम टेलिंग यू द वे हाउ यू कैन एम्ब्रेस इंग्लिश, हाउ यू कैन ब्रिंग इंग्लिश इन योर डेली कम्युनिकेशन. यू कैन ट्राई सच एक्टिविटीज. यू कैन ट्राई स्पीकिंग इन वियर्ड एक्सेंट. वियर्ड यानी कि थोड़ा अजीब, जैसे मैं बोल रहा था. हालांकि ये मेरी जुबान से वियर्ड लग रहा है आपको, बट देर आर पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड हु स्पीक लाइक दैट. This is their natural accent.